Hi there, I'm Tova, and welcome to the first installment of Chair Yoga. So definitely you'll need a chair for today's practice. So maybe you're somebody who works at a desk, spends a lot of time seated, you have injuries or balance issues where being somewhere a little more stable like a chair is going to benefit you. You've got some wrist pain and regular yoga is sometimes too difficult. Or maybe you're a senior citizen who just doesn't quite get around like you used to, and a chair would be a great place for you to do some exercise. So today is all about chair sun salutations. So grab your chair and we'll get started. So sitting comfortably in your chair, and just make sure that you have a little bit of space to move around, and also that if you are on a chair that has wheels, you probably want to lock the wheels so that you don't start rolling around. Sitting up nice and tall, starting to breathe nice and deep. Perfect. Inhale, reaching your arms up. Finding a little back bend here, and that might mean even leaning back over your chair. And then coming up, and let yourself exhale as you fold all the way forward. And you can take your legs a little bit apart here. As you let yourself just hang and melt towards the center, bow your head, relax your arms here. And then inhale, come up. And you're going to lift your right leg up and just tuck it in towards your chest as high as you can lift it. And it's okay if you can't lift it all the way up. That might be just you lifting your foot off the floor. Take a lean back, lift your chin, and then bow your chin and draw it towards your knee here. Good. Release, put the leg down. Inhale, take a big breath up, coming back into that nice back bend, maybe back bend over your chair. Exhale, let yourself fold forward, bow your head, let your arms hang heavy. Inhale, sitting up, picking your left foot up just a little bit or tucking it up. Lift your chin, look up towards the ceiling, and then drop your chin, tuck it down towards your chest. Release your legs. Stretch both legs all the way out. Hands reach all the way out, and then bring your feet back to the floor. So that's our salutation, and we're going to go through that a couple of more rounds together just to get the blood flowing and the heart pumping a little bit more. So inhale, reach up, back bend, and exhale, fold forward, bow your head. Inhale, pick up your leg, take a little look back, and exhale, drop your forehead down, releasing the leg. Inhale, back bending arms sweep up and overhead. And exhale, let yourself fold and melt forward. Inhale, sitting up, lifting your left leg this time, any amount that feels good for you. Eyes look towards the roof. And then exhale, drop your chin. Release the legs, and then stretch both your arms and legs all the way out. Reach, 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 and bring your feet flat to the floor. Let's take another round. Inhale, finding a nice back bend here. And exhale, fold forward. Inhale, lifting up, picking up your right leg. And remember, this might just be a tiny pickup, and lift your head. Exhale, drop your chin, set your leg down. Inhale, reach the arms up and overhead, coming back into a back bend. Exhale, let yourself fold forward, drop your chin, bow your head. Inhale, sit back up tall, pick up your left leg here, looking up towards the roof. Exhale as you drop your chin. Release the legs and stretch both arms and legs all the way out to the front. That's perfect. We're going to go 2 more rounds together. Inhale, big stretch, reach all the way up. Bending back over your chair maybe. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, pick up your right leg, eyes towards the roof. And exhale, drop your chin, tuck down. Place the foot back on the floor. Inhale, big stretch, reach all the way up. And exhale, folding over your thighs. Inhale, lifting the left leg up, eyes towards the roof. Exhale, drop your chin towards your knee, your thigh. Release the leg, stretch both legs out towards the front. Big stretch here. And then bring your feet back down to the ground as we move through one last round of salutations or Surya Namaskar. Inhale, arms reach up. And exhale, full breath out as you fold over your thighs. Inhale, sitting up, lifting the leg up, looking up. Exhale as you drop your head towards your knee. Replace the leg. Inhale, big breath all the way, stretch up, bend back. And exhale, fold forward, fold over your thighs just as far as comfortable. Inhale, come up and pick up your left leg, look up. Exhale, drop your forehead down. Release the leg down and stretch both arms and legs out towards the front. And then finish by bringing your feet back to the floor, bringing your hands to your heart. Thank you so much for joining me for today's practice. This is the first episode, so if you liked today's yoga practice, definitely tune in for more. As we finish with our hands at our heart, the way that we say thank you to one another is we bow our heads and we say namaste.